welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be cash stuffing my long-term and my short-term sinking funds. I don't quite remember exactly how much I have here, but let's count it out. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. So 395. And I guess it's all 20s and 5s today. Okay. Let's start with my long term. Okay. So Sway, which is my son, he's going to get $40. And he now has 500, 600, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98. Almost $900. That's awesome. Little by little, you guys, these things do add up. Car registration is fully funded, so I'm not going to do it. Car insurance is going to get $50, and I believe I'm a little behind on this one, so that's why I'm adding so much. Trying to catch up because I don't want my car insurance to be due and I'm not going to have enough. Although I'll have most of it, so it still wouldn't be too bad. All right, so car insurance now has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. So 285. I need to do a cash condensing. These are getting pretty thick. Christmas is gonna be getting $20. I still have to calculate how much I need to be saving for Christmas each week. I'm just adding random amounts and I don't know. Christmas now has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95. Vacation is going to get $10. I don't have a vacation planned. That's why I'm not adding so much. But vacation now has 20. I am going to add little by little because I know there's a few trips that my mom wants to go to. So for when she decides, I'll have the money set aside. Investing is going to get $50. So 20, 40, 45, 50. So investing now has 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. So $70, which is not bad. Home is gonna get, I don't think I put anything for home. We'll come back to that. If there's anything left over, it'll go in home. Emergency fund is gonna get $20. So emergency fund now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So 114. And I don't know. I think I want to get this one to $1,000 so that way I have $1,000 in cash. I do have $1,000 in the bank, but I kind of want $1,000 in cash. Savings is going to get $35. So here's 20, 25, 30, 35. So savings now has 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. $60. MMO is going to get $25. So here's 20 and 5. So MMO, which is Mommy Makeover, if you guys don't know, it has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 10, 15. And I think as I get closer to the date, I'm going to be starting to stuff more. All right, so that's it for my long term. Let's start my short term sinking funds. You guys, about my last video, you know, I did do the rant, and I wasn't sure what I was going to do for work. I'm going to call my boss tomorrow, my supervisor, and ask to be switched over to only weekends. So wish me luck. Let's see how that goes. And I'll update you guys next video. let you guys know how it goes, because it's either she says, yes, that's fine, you can do just weekends, or I put in my 2 weeks, because I can't, I'm juggling way too much. So car maintenance, it's gonna get $40. I feel like I don't have time to do anything because I'm juggling so much, and they're giving me extra work on top of that, so it's just not fair. Car maintenance now has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44. So 244. So as you guys know, like, I just ended my work week, and this week was hectic as hell. It was crazy. So many calls, and I kept asking, like, hey, can you get the other nurse to do this? Can you get the other nurse to do that? And they're all like, oh yeah, we can. Oh yeah, we can. And luckily they did, but I'm just like, why are you guys giving it to me? Why can't you guys ask her first? Like, you guys know I have a lot of calls already. I don't know. Couponing is gonna get $15. And I need to coupon because I'm out of toilet paper already, so I need to get back on my game. So hopefully if I just do weekends, I'm able to coupon more and actually have the things that I need. So couponing now has 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, and 75, which is plenty to start couponing. Laundry, let me see. I don't think I put anything for laundry, but I'm gonna go do laundry tomorrow, so we'll see if I have enough. Momo and Demon, which are my cats, they are gonna get 35. So here's 20, 25, and 30. So Momo and Demon now have 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 490, almost 500, you guys. And I've been talking about getting my cat neutered, so I think I'm gonna call tomorrow and see how much it is and make an appointment, because I have more than enough for that now. Giveaways is gonna get $5. And you guys, I'm so close to 500, but I've been stuck in like the 460s. So if you guys are watching this and you have not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe so you can enter my giveaway. All right, giveaways now has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. So 190. Buffer is gonna get $10. So here's 5 and 10. So Buffer now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. And I'm not exactly sure why I have extra money, but let me see. How much do I have? 20, 45. Okay, you know what? This is gonna go, like I said, in my home envelope, because I don't think I put anything to the side. But since I have extra and something is missing it, but oh well, it shouldn't have been missed. It should have screamed out and said, hey, you didn't put money in me. Okay, I was like, did I get money out of the right one? I did. Okay, so home now has 20, 40, 60, 65. I'm gonna start funding this one heavily. All right, you guys, so that is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and wish me luck in the comments, you guys. I need all the luck I can get because I really don't want to quit. If you guys know if you guys know and you guys watch my videos, I did say that I love my job, but it's just not fair what they're doing. So wish me luck on asking for just weekends and see what happens. I'll let you guys know in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.